Hello everyone, welcome back to this door tutorial. So we have some stuff to complete over here which will not take long. So we have the exterior view, I have the references over here, and I have three things to do. So basically almost nothing at all if I can say. But yeah, it will still take a while. So I'll extend let's say some reference lines. I will take one of these lines or just write RP reference RP. So we have this drawn, and now we'll have some references based on that image. If I had the disposal, the video would have been far easier, but yeah, it will take a bit longer, let's say. But no problem, we will solve this as quickly as possible. So yeah, I think these are the only references that I need to take care of. Or no, I guess I'll mirror them to move a bit faster. Something like this. Yeah. It's not perfect because not all things are perfectly symmetrical. We'll do some arcs and some lines, whatever. Okay, and I think, oh, it's not the right height. Oh, but I already placed these lines for making the correspondence. So yeah. So I think now we can do our door, and then we'll delete all the reference lines and insert into the project this door. So I guess, or I can work even more simpler. I can just draw directly on this picture and then move the thing on into place. I think that could have been easier, but yeah. So I guess I'll draw this, the contour with the pink line, and let's see if we can scale something like this. Okay, then I have these lines. Okay, so these lines are ready, and I think I can place something like this. I honestly do not like the arch has some sort of limitation, and I'll do some ellipse, I guess. Sometimes the arch doesn't tap as it should, so yeah, something like this. Yeah, it's more reasonable. I think that's the reason of not being, let's say, equally spaced or something. But I can make it. Yeah, it looks better now. Okay, and let's move it. It's created onto the reference plane, so I just need to move this in the right place. So yeah, something like this. Now it's okay. On the right side it's a bit problematic, but we can snap like this. And yeah, the height is reasonable. Okay, and I guess I can copy this and hope so I can do some sort of offset. Yes, great. And oh, that's even greater, that I can move my arch and somehow extend it and adjust it, which is just as great. Yeah, now it looks somewhat better. I think having, oh, this being an ellipse, it's kind of weird. I think I'll do this in basically two pieces, something like this, an arch like this, and then an arch like this. Yeah, that's a problem with the arch, because not always not always does it have any, let's say, snapping point, and it's too imprecise. For example, if so I have that ellipse that, let's say, was perfectly fine, but I do You know, you see what I mean? I wanted to put it between something around, like around this line, but no. It's like that meme. Nope, it doesn't let you. So yeah, that's kind of disappointing, I guess. So yeah, I try something like this and works reasonably better. It could have been better. It could have been a smoother curve, I guess. Yeah, if I come something like here, I think it's more. I think it's more okay. Let me see. Yeah, well, it looks a bit more reasonable. Let's say. Yeah, now that's what I wanted. I wanted it to be tangent. Yeah, that's the one that I wanted to be tangent. Yay. Yet. Yeah, let's make it tangent again. Let's make it tangent great again. Yay. Okay. So weird. Yep, so I have something better than nothing, so I guess here I go something like this, and yep, yabba zabba do, we have here the right line. We are happy, more happy than the Flintstone himself while traveling with the car. So I think that looks great. Yeah, yeah, I think it's great. So no, no, closed loops are open on one end. Why? That's why. Silly arches. Okay. And now I think it should be okay. Yes, it's extraordinary. It's marvelous. It's a scientific revolution. Yeah. Okay. So, do something like this. And let's do the scientific revolution. This last extrusion, the definitive answer to the questions of humanity. And let's see, something like this, okay, let's put this console brick or whatever it is. Now let's put the great arch. Of course we have errors, we do not like to have errors, so let's put the theory to the test. We do 2 arches. Why? You're gonna see the results in less than 5 seconds. So something like this, and let's begin preparing for the definitive form. And something, I wanted to it looks good, but I wanted to snap somewhere else. Yeah, unfortunately it's kind of to manage even 2 arches. If you have some other suggestions to do this kind of arch with no such errors, I am open to any proposals. You can write them down in the comments. In my case it works for me, and I got great results in my project in general, so I passed the assignments or whatever I had to do. But I guess there are some more elegant ways in some cases. Okay, now it looks kind of better. Not perfect, but better. Yep. 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 We can get some reviews on Yelp. I hope we get at least 3.5 or 4 stars. Okay. I think it's about ready. No, actually I have 2 more extrusions. One this, one like this. Okay. Yeah, let's do this wonderful extrusion. Create similar. I'm a lazy bum, and I'll do a rectangle Not a hexagon, my friend. A rectangle, bro. Okay, another rectangle. And yeah, it's kind of ready. Let's save this guy. Control S. And yeah, it's almost ready. Look at this beauty. I just have to adjust the depth. You see this arrow, and I have basically some steps, and now it looks absolutely beautiful. So this extrusion tool does wonders. That's what I like. It's simple yet effective, this extrusion tool. I think it's my favorite generic modeling tool in Revit. That's all I can say, my guys and girls. So yeah, you can get some pretty impressive results. Okay, one pretty neat thing, that a pretty neat thing is that you have this snapping feature. So yeah, okay, I think it should be aligned. Yeah, let me position myself like this, and let's align these ends. Okay, when it gets blue, it means it's getting a snapping position, and now it looks great. Yeah, I haven't done the bottom part, but I think it's the same principle. And although I think I could get to the left. Let me make it define. VG. Let's see the wall better. I can't actually do a VG, only in the project, I guess. That's a pity. VG. Walls. Let's see what we have. Model categories. Actually, there's nothing. I thought. No. That's a pity. In a family, you cannot tell which. Okay. Let's do consistent color or something. No, not even like this. Okay. So I guess I have to keep it on wireframe mode, and it looks as if I'm working in AutoCAD. But yeah. So I think I'll mirror all the things I've done, and as you can see, I have these profiles, and yeah, I'm pretty satisfied. Let's see the exterior and the interior. Yep, the mirror did its job well, and now I have a beautiful door. Look at this beauty. Yeah, this is the door. So thank you for joining in, and see you at the next tutorial.